I'm here with Andy from K2. Hi Andy, how you doing?
Nice to see you, good to see you
nice
again.
to see you too. So rocker, tell us about rockers. What is a rocker?
Right, so rocker is something that came around in skis about 7 or 8 years ago. It started off in freeride skis. It was there to help you get more float off piste and have a smoother turn initiation. And they found out that actually worked really well for piste skis as well. So you have varying styles.
Right.
To give you an example, you can see on an intermediate level or mountain ski that you have this separation in the tip here.
Yep.
This lifts the contact points and makes the ski very smooth if you're skiing on a flatter piste.
Yep.
Old school skis used to be a little bit twitchy. It also allows the ski to get that early bit of lift in variable snow. And when you get to something a little bit fatter, say you go up to the 115 width, you can see how much the rocker is there, where it really is for giving you that float.
So that rocker there, the big one on the wide ski, is for giving you float in the powder, and the rocker on the piste ski is for making the turn initiation easier.
That's exactly right. It's more like power steering in your car.
Okay.
So a nice smooth turn initiation also makes the ski really manoeuvrable. So a freeride ski, if you take it in the trees, sometimes quite cumbersome.
Yep.
If it has a lot of rocker, it's much more pivoty. So if you're in the trees, tighter sections, it's easier to get down.
And what about tail rocker then as well? That's tip rocker?
Yeah, so tail rocker, same example. On the freeride ski, it shortens the contact length.
Okay.
So again, more manoeuvrable.
Yep.
And then in a piste ski, it actually gives you a tiny touch of kind of bending the ski. Okay. So once you're in the turn, you get the grip back, but once you're on the slopes, again, a bit more slippy and manoeuvrable.
Cool. Thanks, Andy.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Cheers.
Have a good one, enjoy your day.
Rocker.